sense because, the first quarter it's a new year. Everyone's on fire. Everyone has big optimism. And the last quarter, they're like, I've got to finish strong. So this is your opportunity that I encourage you to focus and really hold yourself accountable that this is going to be the best 12 weeks of your life.
You just said something really good that I don't want anyone to skip over. You said you don't have to be focused 24 hours a day. And I think that a lot of times there's this misconception that if you're going to be really successful, if you're going to reach the next level, you have to work harder, you have to work longer, you have to put in 60, 70, 80 hours. But you believe and teach that if you have 5 good hours a day, which are spent with the 30, 60, 90 minute sprints, spent in focused time working on your goal achieving activities, you can achieve far more than if you're working those 60, 70, 80 hours at an average level of distraction.
Yeah, I've been blessed, Mikey, that I've been around some of the best thinkers. And I've had some really great mentors. And I constantly pick their mind of how much they work. And he said, well, I may be working, but if I really look at it, I work 5 great hours. So I started observing myself and I worked backwards from it. And I said, how much am I really working? And it was literally, once I focused on 5 great hours, making 5 hours of the day great, I created much better results than working 8 distracted or 10 distracted hours that I did before.